I have my friend Jaden here. He's going to be making videos just for this day or maybe some other day. If you want to see more of him, comment down below. And yeah, so he's going to be recording this whole video today. So go ahead, Jaden.
Hey yo guys, what's up? My name is Jaden and I'm here with another episode of Pet Ranch Simulator, where I'm here gonna open some eggs while my little pets are walking around doing nothing. I don't know why. So yeah, okay, let's go.
Oh, guys, I'm gonna be making some Fortnite videos today after this video is recorded. And yeah, Jaden could be in the video. Want to be in the video?
Yup.
Okay, but what if your dad comes? I don't know what's gonna happen. I feel bad for him. So yeah, let's just get in the video.
Oh, let's buy another pet. Let's go.
Here we go.
No! Blue butterfly. That's a new pet, bros. Woohoo! Let's see. On it. Yep. Let's unequip that piece of garbage. Equip this. Okay. Let's level it up. Fully leveled. Is what I like.
What I like.
It's what I like.
The good thing about this game is you actually get coins without collecting them.
Yeah, it's not like Pet Simulator where you have to like that.
So it's like kind of like hacking, but you're generating it.
Yeah, it's just generating for you. Actually, there's another game called I forgot. It's like something fantasy, coin fantasy or something. Hi guys. Yeah, and it's the same thing where you can buy like hot dog stands and like a police station in the office. Yeah, you should go check that out. So yeah, we're waiting now. I'm jumping around. I'm jumping on the most precious baby in the whole universe. I'm hugging it so much. It's so cute. I'm gonna kill that noob. Get over here, noob. So yeah, guys, I'm so sorry how long it takes to get coins, for God's sakes. But we're almost there. See, it's over 300,000. Oh. Yeah. So, yeah. Hey, who wants to see you jump on a ton of eggs? Let's go. Oh, get up. Okay, I can't get off the first one, so just cross that out, for God's sakes. I can jump on that one. That's normal. Okay. Jump. Oh, I think I have to jump on. Okay. One.
Oh, and yeah, guys, like I said, sorry for not making videos lately. Jaden, they can't see your face.
Oh, mother.
What?
Well, let's go buy another egg, goes. Oh, another stone dog.
That guy's kind of trash.
Woohoo!
Do you think he's kind of trash?
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're gonna unequip that garbage. Now we'll equip this.
Is that better than the other one?
Yeah. But then now we're gonna upgrade it. Fully upgraded. Okay. So this guy's supposed to want me to open these garbage eggs. Yeah, I'm just gonna open some garbage eggs.
My friend's in the game.
Oh, Sapphire!
Yeah,
Oh, so cute.
And
haha.
so you know, you can make Jaden, you can make your YouTube channel too if you want. Will your dad let you? Just go to type in Screencast-O-Matic and then you can start making videos.
Okay.
Are you gonna do it?
I don't know. Can I get something else, for God's sakes?
Anyway, just so you know, you can get money off of that. You can get money in real life.
Really?
I think.
Yeah, you can get money from making YouTube.
Like without people watching?
No, people can watch. No, well, no, they can watch. I think they have to watch. I think they have to watch to get money or subscribe.
So I'm like, it's like running around doing absolutely nothing. Really weird. Yeah.
How about you just talk a little bit to them? Like, that's what I.
So yeah, the next video, Jacob, I'm gonna be in this video. Jacob's gonna make a Fortnite video. I don't know if it's gonna be real Fortnite or just robot Fortnite.
Real Fortnite, but you can be in it, right?
Yeah, and I'll just like block his video, like, hey Jacob, hey, she's that guy. Yeah,
No.
Yeah. Yeah, active.
How about we each take turns?
Yeah, we're gonna take turns.
Yeah, like
then I'm gonna get acting like slit someone's face and like rip it out and like.
Okay, so guys, Do you want to end the video?
Oh no, after one day. Well, guys, this is gonna be the last egg we open. So comment down below. 1 like equals 1% chance of me getting a legendary. Let's go. Oh, brown fox. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment down below and ring that bell.
And like and subscribe. And bye.